What's up, internet? Quick video. I have a video already about this KO slip-on. I've got one out, but it was with the stock breadbox installed. This one I have installed the breadbox delete pipe, straight pipe to the KO Lightning. So we're gonna show you what it sounds like. This is a cold start. Sounds pretty dang good. It is a lot louder, but it sounds like a real motorcycle now. Alright, there you go. Link pipe, breadbox, delete. Everything else is stock. Stock header, stock air filter. Pretty impressed with the quality of this slip-on so far. I've had it for a little bit. Pretty good for the money. Y'all have a good one.